Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a good data tutorial for beginners. Now this video will have everything you need to know about good data and how you can use it for data analysis and visualization guide, especially if you're a beginner. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the Good Data homepage. You can access this once you've signed up for an account. And right now I'm using a free trial, which I believe lasts for a month before needing to upgrade. See here, you can access this by just typing in good data on your browser. So right here, gooddata.com. And then you can actually request a demo if you'd like, wherein you just need to fill in these details, including your business email. And then Good Data will get in touch with you in a few days or so to get you your demo. Or you can also go straight up and try their 30-day trial, wherein you're gonna need to subscribe after that 1 month has passed. So we're just gonna check their subscriptions here. All right, so you have to reach out to their sales team apparently to get a guided tour, explore advanced features, and learn about their pricing. So that's how you're gonna be able to upgrade to a subscribe account. All right, so before we get started, Good Data is a powerful analytics platform designed for creating, managing, and sharing dashboards, reports, and insights. This tutorial is going to give you a brief step-by-step into how you can set up your account and how it is used for analytics and visualization. All right, so first up, there's a watch intro video available if you want to check that out. But for getting started, you can either explore a pre-built environment, so you can explore dashboard capabilities using pre-configured sample data, which is what we're going to be doing right now. But apart from that, you can also start from scratch, so you can connect your own data source and start to build analytics. And then here you can also talk to an expert to get a guided tour or a personalized demo so that you can maximize your trial. But then again, you're going to have to reach out to Good Data directly and wait for their response. There's also some continue exploring features here. So they have experimental features such as AI chatbot, data profiling, and machine learning. So these are a few features that they're still working on, but nevertheless, it's going to come to the software eventually. So here you can connect your data directly in real time. You can create metrics, visualization, and dashboards with self-service tools. There's also integrate for integrating reports, dashboards, and self-service tools into your app. And then consume for consuming analytics with any application or data tool. Now for manage, you can use declarative APIs to create, change, or version all of your analytics objects. And lastly, for distribute, you can create a self-service analytics environment for each of your tenants. All right, so we're going to get started with exploring a pre-built environment. So I'm just going to open this real quick. Now about the demo environment, the demo environment includes multiple workspaces with pre-made metrics and dashboards built on top of a public database. All right, so we're going to try to get this started so that we can see how it works. And we're just going to let Good Data load up our demo environment right here. All right, so we have this demo workspace and the dashboard. This is our overview with net sales, orders, active customers, and gross profit margin. You can also see the sales overview here. You can see in their graph here on the sales overview, this is the revenue trend, and you can actually interact with it. So just click and drag to zoom in, just like that. And you can see the target date. Sorry about that. All right. This is for the revenue trend, and you can see the net sales breakdown right over here on this section. You have the active customers and gross profit margin, customers overview, coded by the country right here, so Canada and US. And it's actually very thorough as well. You can see here on all the states. And then the products overview right here. So you have for audio and video accessories, clothing, computers and accessories, furniture and home goods. So this is going to be an example of how your data will look like once you've set it into your dashboard, and it's fully customizable. You can see here the order status and then the net sales versus orders. So you have some familiar brands here: TJ Maxx, Corsair, Pottery Barn, IKEA, Samsung, Jamo, and All Modern. So you can edit the dashboard here. It's just like I mentioned, it's fully customizable. And then you can just freely navigate or reposition whichever graph or section of the dashboard to where you want it to be placed. And you can also add a title and description here. So you have the visualization filter and visualization switcher. All right, so that's it for the editing part. I'm just going to discard the changes right here. So we can check the sales here on our left-hand side of the screen under the dashboards. So this is sales breakdown. Overview was more like a generalization, or a generalization of the data. Here is more centered on sales. You have net sales over time, orders breakdown, orders over time, and seasonality. So here you have the number of orders and activity by hour, net sales by product category, and seasonality. Now for customers, let's check how the dashboard looks like. So you have here one that's tailored for customers. You can see active customers and new customers. This is also beneficial if you're trying to keep track of the traffic in your website. And of course, you can see the trends so that you get to analyze what you're doing right or what you're doing wrong with, say, your sales or your marketing. Then it surely should reflect in your customer data. You have active customers breakdown right here with this pie graph kind of data. So you have the return customers and new customers, new versus returning. So this is new customers monthly and returning customers monthly, as well as a ranking. So you have a ranking system for the top 10 spenders and top 10 buyers. So this will probably give you an idea, so you can perhaps craft a strategy to maybe cater more to your top buyers and your top spenders, and maybe tailor your marketing as well, and think of ways you can apply this to other customers so that the trend would change and you would have more spenders and buyers. You also have customers set by country and state. So if that matters, or if that's necessary for your business, maybe there's a specific product that's catering a specific state or area that's maybe culture bound or something, then you get to analyze that with this data. And finally, for products, we have this dashboard right here. So brands by gross profit and average price of product. You have a product category breakdown, product details right here. So you have the top sellers and money makers as well. And you have an extensive list for product details with the net sales right over here every year. And you have the products here. You have the product ID, product rating, and whatnot. I'm just going to check what this plus icon is for on the dashboard. Okay, so here you can drag a visualization. All right, so you can freely edit the visualization. So you have a bunch of charts here. You have the metrics in columns, rows, drag everything, customer by city. So it's a very extensive toolbar, or you have a bunch of tools to work with, so you can create your own visualization. Feel free to check that out. You also have filter, visualization switcher, anything you need to really personalize your workspace and your dashboard. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.